Our News 13 crew has been following this storm since it was west of the metro. News 13's Francesca Washington is live near Coors and I-40 with the conditions on the roadways. Francesca?
Dean, we've been following this storm from the Laguna Pueblo. Now, at first, as we made our way east, it was just a light snowfall with nothing really accumulating on the ground. But the closer we got to the metro, about 30 miles out near the Route 66 casino, that's where things started to pick up. And there was a lot of snowfall with a mix of rain in there, very low visibility. And even as we got into town, the visibility was still low, lots of snow, but still not a whole lot accumulating on the ground. So far, we haven't seen any major accidents on our way into town. No one slipping and sliding, anything like that. We did see a few drivers pulled off to the side of the road, maybe just as a precaution, but so far drivers are taking things slow, taking things easy, and things are moving.
All right, Francesca, thank you.